Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NGT complete selfie tripod set. Going to show you how it works, what comes with it. So let's get it out of the box and show you. So the tripod is set up, as you can see. It is telescopic, so you can have it at any height you want it. This is the maximum height it goes. The pole bit there you can adjust at what height you want it as well. So yeah, I think it's really good quality for the price. I paid £15 off Amazon for it. I have got another tripod, but the stands are not that great, so I thought I'd get something a bit more sturdy. It also comes with a selfie shutter button, so obviously if you're further back from the tripods and obviously you can't reach to the phone or the camera to take pictures, you can just use the selfie shutter to capture your pictures of whatever you're taking pictures of. And then it also comes with a selfie light that mounts into the jack part of the phone, but that doesn't power the light. It's actually rechargeable, so you can charge it up and then use it. It comes in a nice little NGT carry bag, which I'll show you in a minute. So here's the bag that the tripods and everything else comes in. You got the NGT logo at the front. It is waterproof, so it keeps everything inside dry. And then you got the selfie shutter button that is powered by Bluetooth, and then you got the charger for the selfie light. This bit here goes into your phone, but it's not powered by this part. It is rechargeable, so you got the rechargeable part there, and then you got 3 stages. So you got low, medium and high brightness. This is the on button. So obviously if you're in the dark and you want to take a picture, you just put this on. And then you've got the remote controller setup and user guide. So this is what's inside. So it tells you how to use the shutter button, and then just some other bits on how to use it and what it does. So yeah, that's the basic diagram on how to use the selfie shutter. But yeah, if you like the video and the product that I'm showing, I do recommend it. It's worth what you pay for, so I can't wait to test it out when I go fishing next. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button for any future videos going forward, and then I'll see you in the next one.